the silent revolution in your living room. Imagine for a second that your home is breathing with you. While you're caught in the rush of the day or deep in the stillness of the night, there's a quiet revolution happening on your windowsill. Most of us see indoor plants as mere decoration, static pieces of green furniture. But what if I told you they are sentient guardians, working tirelessly to rewrite the very atmosphere of your life? Today, we step into the secret world of our green companions. First, let's look at the what. Behind every leaf lies a sophisticated biological engine. In the concrete heart of cities like Colombo, we are often surrounded by invisible toxins, chemicals like formaldehyde and benzene that leak from our furniture and fresh paint. NASA discovered that plants like the snake plant are nature's high-tech filters, scrubbing up to 80% of these toxins in a single day. But their most poetic secret? The night shift. While other plants rest, the aloe vera and the snake plant stay awake, pumping fresh oxygen into your room while you sleep. They aren't just sitting there, they are keeping watch over your every breath. Now, let's explore the why. Why does your soul feel lighter when you walk into a room full of green? It's not just in your head. Science shows that simply being near a plant can drop your stress hormones by nearly 20%. In our tropical Sri Lankan heat, they are our natural cooling systems. Through a process called transpiration, they release tiny beads of moisture, acting as a living air conditioner that can drop your room temperature by up to 3 degrees Celsius. They turn a humid, stressful house into a sanctuary, a place where focus sharpens and the digital noise of the world finally fades away. Finally, we look at the how. Nurturing a plant is a lesson in patience. In our eagerness, we often drown them with love. But the secret to a thriving indoor garden is often knowing when to step back. Remember the finger test. If the soil is damp an inch down, let it be. You don't need a fortune to start. A humble money plant in a locally crafted clay pot is all it takes to begin. Feed them your kitchen scraps, crushed eggshells and tea leaves, and wipe the dust from their leaves so they can breathe as easily as they help you do. Creating an indoor garden isn't just about gardening. It's about reclaiming your connection to the earth in a world of concrete. It's about turning a house into a living, breathing home. So, look at that empty corner in your room. It's not a void, it's an opportunity. What will you plant today